Our first CPG pitch contestant is Evo Foods.
Hi, I'm Kartik Dixit and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Evo Foods. Did you know that one egg contains a cholesterol equivalent of up to 3 Big Macs? That's huge, right? Apart from that, antibiotics are routinely used in India's poultry farms as a substitute for sanitation, and it is giving rise to widespread antibiotic resistance in the population. 1 kilogram of egg production emits more CO2 than 1 kilogram of chicken production. Shocking, right? The plant-based egg industry is growing globally. There's 192% surge in the dollar sales for plant-based egg category in the US only. It's going to become a $1.3 billion industry globally by 2023. And ultimately, there's a $200 billion global egg market to disrupt in the future. And that's why we have created Evo Egg, made out of our proprietary legume blend, as well as patent pending fermentation and enzyme treatment technology. Not only it is a nutritional powerhouse packed with micronutrients, but also it matches normal eggs in taste as well as texture. You can use Evo Egg to make your favorite recipes such as apple scrambles, omelets, frittatas, egg rolls, fried rice, and many others. Considering competition, we have hit the right spot with nutrition and affordability. It requires 90% less resources than normal eggs. We have also made it highly scalable, and we have already identified a large-scale manufacturing facility. We have made significant progress since we started. Our prototype is ready. We also have a pilot facility with us ready. We got into Big Idea Ventures New York City Accelerator, and later we raised investment from Wedge Invest and 2 other great angel investors. Recently, we were amongst the top 5 CPG startups in FoodBytes by Rabobank. Our launch is scheduled for Jan 2021, so stay tuned. We are going to start off with tier 1 cities in India and slowly gaining momentum. We will launch into the US market in 2022. We are actively fundraising and are looking for like-minded investors to join us in this journey. Since we want to become a global company, we are looking for collaborations in R&D as well as distribution as well as relevant talent to join us. This is our all-star team made of 2 ex-entrepreneurs with backgrounds in hospitality as well as alternative protein. We also have 3 great advisors, Dr. Joseph Puglisi from Beyond Meat, Ryan Bethencourt from Wild Earth, and Stephanie Downs from Material Innovation Initiative. Help us create the future of protein in India using Evo Egg, the friendliest egg in the world. Thank you so much.
And that was Evo Foods. Thank you, Kartik. Gigi, let's hand it over to you for your 3-minute Q&A round.
Thank you, Kartik. Thank you for that. One of the things I find very interesting is about how different cultures are approaching the plant-based trend. Can you speak a little bit about how the particular dynamics of Indian vegetarian culture has influenced your strategy for Evo?
I think that's a great question. And one thing to notice about India is that it contains so many different religious communities that we have to take into account religious preferences while eating food. So for an example, plant-based egg or normally eggs are seen as neither vegetarian or non-vegetarian in India usually. So India is a 71-29% vegetarians. 50% of them consider egg as a gray area into the market. Apart from that, legumes are a regular part of a diet in India, and that's what we are exactly doing. So we are combining legumes which Indians eat on a regular basis and giving it to them in the form of an egg, which they already know. So I think religious preferences matter a lot, and we do understand that.
Great, thank you for that. And one of the things with a lot of foods in this kind of food tech space is the technology. Can you speak a little bit more about the technology that you're using and how it's different?
Absolutely. So we did preliminary research on the blend of proteins we are going to use. Since we wanted to tackle nutrition, taste, and functionality all in one go, we used 3 different proteins for this special blend. which gives us a better PDCAA values than other counterparts, as well as it gives better nutrition to the consumers. And I think we are using, enzymatic treatment, which gives the proteins proper solubility, so that whenever you eat it, it gets absorbed into your body better. And that's what we did in the whole product development process. And we have made it fortified as well by adding added micronutrients such as branch chain amino acid, which is a huge plus point for the fitness community, as well as vitamin D and vitamin B12. So it is a nutritional powerhouse.
Great, thank you for that. And so you list a number of really amazing advisors. Can you tell us a little bit more about your own background?
100%. So my background lies in the alternative protein industry in India. I previously worked on creating India's first cell-based or cultivated meat company. And during that time, I realized that it was a challenging field, and there existed some possibilities that it could further delay the launch of our products in India as well as globally. So I decided that as an impact-focused person, I need to move on from the cultivated meat side to the plant-based side, so that I can create that kind of impact over the next 5 years through the plant-based innovations we are doing at Evo Foods. And I think that matters to me a lot.